Mina Aissatou Smile Sise, and this is the program Talk to the Camera. Today the camera then at the street of Freetown for talk to mama, papa, and also the pikin them for making them go tell we what they understand about the word teenage pregnancy and what they think saying are the contributing factors to teenage pregnancy and what are the role where parents and pikin them for play for stop teenage pregnancy in the country. Hello, welcome to this interview. Your name?
My name is Mr. Hardin Sanko.
As we can, most of the time people can talk about teenage pregnancy. I go want to make you tell we, what do you think say now the contributing factors for the picking get belly at early age?
Well, me to my own understanding, na two factors I believe see na the cause for the picking as a teenager become a pregnant mother. Yes, one of them poverty. To breakdown of immorality in the society today. Yeah, there are two factors, and one of the factors why they tell about breakdown of immorality from the home. The home teenager because papa no longer they responsible again for taking responsibility in the home. They make the beginning now, no time in it. They don't get nobody way. And no time we capable teach them. So I mean, we born the pikin able teach if other man teach for you, this have no results we go get.
So like what's in the role where you think say the parents then for play for prevent teenage pregnancy in the country?
Well, I feel say the parents for become forced for become a teacher. And you know what he make for be a teacher. A teacher, I mean, now you the pikin they do say for be a good picture to the pikin, you know what I mean? And now this pikin they know what they see and can always try for practice. You see, if you the parents what they preach, they practice all that thing. No, that pikin like you talk to any teacher, if you say no more, you know what I mean? You try for impress yourself to her. Oh yes.
And we get plenty picking organization then at the country. What do you think say the organization they need for do for say the teenage pregnancy in the country done?
Like their organization, one of them, I believe, say for get programs in the school because as what me understand, Skadi, we was it Skadi in those days, picking, I believe say. Yes, it can get teaching from the home, but waiting can impact in the school more. You know what I mean? Can go a long way. So I believe say them organization the way they talk about too. From when I'm back on the school, the curriculum of the school, you know what I mean? Count some good curriculum at the school way. I mean, the beginning will know what the future wants to because then I picking I either say pick waiting make it picking. You know, if I'm able something, you see, and all the foundation will go set for and I'm going to make you know what you will do ahead of and tomorrow.
Thank you very much.
Thank you too.
Hello, welcome to this interview. Your name?
My name is Zainab Guba.
Most of the time we hear the word teenage pregnancy. I go on to make you tell me what do you understand about that word?
Well, teenage pregnancy mean about girls beginning when they under the age of 18, then go get belly. So like, and that's teenage pregnancy.
So you don't ever see person where they at the age girl picking where they at the age of 18 we get belly?
Yeah, I don't see many girl picking when they under the age of 18 they don't get belly, and it can cause many constraints for them, and okay, really easy. So like.
And also, what do you think saying are some of the contributing factors for the picking when 18 years to get belly?
Due to poverty. Then some picking bad friend, peer group influence, many things there. Money can put some picking inside, all those things there.
So when you talk about poverty, how poverty they lead for later picking they get belly before the age of 18?
Because some picking and they honor their parents, maybe their parents not get afford for the everything they need, so they can go to the extra mile for get what they want.
So what do you think saying that the role where the parents then for play for sister picking where they under the age of 18 not get belly?
For encouraging picking them, even if you don't get for them, talk to them, put them down. At least many buckets and the small things and the way they able to for making sell. So income go dey come small. Encourage am, talk to am, tell am the main thing wey for make e no go get belle. Say na this dey make you get belle, those stuff.
So what about the pikin wey dey under the age of 18? Wetin you think say e need for do? Whose role e need say you think say e need for play for see say e no get belle?
Now many prevention and dey prevent yourself from make you no get belle. Because then you know you done, maybe go get your boyfriend where you like so. But if you don't want to get belle, you need for prevent yourself. Beaucoup prevention in day for it take so you not go get belle.
So what's another message where you go send to government and also some pikin organizations them concerning this teenage pregnancy in the country?
Well, I just want to tell government say make them come to one, take care of the pikin them, provide their needs them, encourage them, open institutions them so beaucoup then go able to learn something, even if not all my able go school, but they can able to count some things we go make the pikin themselves do beaucoup thing for so that they not go involved in teenage pregnancy.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Hello, welcome to this interview. Your name?
Elizabeth Sawyer.
Yes, most of the time, okay, people can talk about teenage pregnancy. I go want to make you tell me, what do you think about teenage pregnancy in the country? You think say they increase or they decrease?
They increase.
So what do you think say now some of the factors and the way they make the teenage pregnancy they increase?
Well, some of the factors and one, we the parents them. Now we get for monitor we picking them. You the parents, why I say get for monitor you picking? When you picking they go school, you for know when and how they go school. Then when he come out school, you for monitor and back. You forget on time where if for don't reach in a house. Then when you reach in a house, you for make sure say it there within the house. If you want to go any side safe, it for make you know. One thing about we parents them, we not care, we not responsible for picking them. We know the monitor we picking them. Picking you for monitor them. Even when you don't be adult safe, you for monitor them. We all need somebody who is responsible. They ask you who side they go. And you need for talk who side they go. We the parents and I will get the fault. We know the monitor we picking them. We know they ask them.
So person where go the watch you right now go say what about the pikin way they go school? Those type monitor the parents need for do.
Okay. One, the pikin where they go school. You parents, when you picking grab in the morning for go school, you get for monitor them. Monitor in bag, monitor in books them, see how it they go school. Then when it don't come out school where it come, you forget on time where it for don't reach in a house. When it come out where it come, you for monitor in bag. And if you make sure so you dey monitor and books them, dates for them and books them. And if you make sure say where you dey monitor them, you for ask and question, waiting they learn today, waiting they do today. You for ask them the school activities them, till it reach in a house.
So you think say anything changed to this 21 century to the time where una be there in una youth age? Anything they will change?
Beaucoup things they will change. Changes them beaucoup. Changes them beaucoup. When that make, I can always say, you parents, you get a role for play so you picking them. You get a big role for play because if you the monitor you picking them and you see how you the parents then are us. I not say you know get your way, but you go afraid say me mama, huh? In it kind of me I know, me mama, he the monitor me so me, and then they go so, and then they cancel. All that one they count. So many changes in day. More especially this technology, the beginning don't misuse them. And some of who the parents them, when they monitor will picking them well, more than phone. Me not say make parents not give them picking them phone. No, if you give them phone, but you for monitor them. Always make sure they monitor you picking. Not for fear for them say it don't be past you or you don't go school or you the parents you get money. You not for care for you picking them. You get for monitor them. Picking them they need monitor minutes and hour.
So what's another message we go send out there to the social welfare and other picking organization them in the country?
Well, then other people and they when and then they take care of them picking and then for cancel the picking them well. Then for know whose home they come out, whose type of parents them, then how the parents then deal with them, because some parents them, if I tell you, they not care. So the pikin themselves then take the chance themselves then at street. So the organization then the home now them for go then go monitor the home, how then at home.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hello, welcome to this interview. Your name?
I'm named Jamila Tuasam.
As plenty tell we hear the word teenage pregnancy, I go want to make you tell we waiting you understand about that word, the teenage pregnancy.
Yeah, the word I understand about teenage pregnancy because the girl pikin kid a small one, man they because they influence them for material things, so they get belly. You see, and so now the girl pikin they like phone, they like bokutin there. So if you because also some comrades enable for providing things for the girl pikin there, so more like you lead their to renting and so then they cause them.
So when they talk about the phone, they talk about the material things, them, what type picking them you think they can go in more for them thing than a picking them where they go school or not picking them where they do then petty traders in a street?
More than petty traders then, they even got picking they go school as well. They do them thing then because them petty trader there, like when you get picking market for tot. More than money they call say canaya, and they give this to in the time. They got picking them back when they go school as well. They say I want the phone. So now everyday technology they improve. And they got picking they go for them thing and they say they give this, more do this, they did one.
Okay. So now I go want to make you tell me what in the role where you think say parents and for play for stop teenage pregnancy in the country?
The role of parents for play for stop this thing. Maybe the advice they give to the parents out there. So the parents there for understand them picking them. Then they for advise the picking them. They for talk to the girl picking them. They one thing about parents, the way you start and as you for end. Because if you get you picking, you don't use for girl thing there, even money. Becoming a parent as well. If you start for you picking money, the day you not get it, they go on the street. If you go get party, they tell and say, "More go and I get post, they give money, they go on the street." But the way you start, you start to money, you start to that thing. So if you get party, they tell identity, they say, "No, I satisfy with me, mommy, give me." So I advise the parents then, and therefore teach them picking their boku thing. Because if you talk to you picky, advice I put on down. You picky they sit to you, and then they put in self for boku thing then anyway.
As we get plenty picking organization in the country, and also I go want to make you tell me what's in the message or the advice where they send to them picking organization and the end social welfare.
Like which ones?
Like the message where you go on for tell like the role where you they expect say na in and for play for say teenage pregnancy done at the country.
The role, only they advise the girl picking there out there. The girl picking there they study hard. And they focus for the book learning, and they avoid friend. How they call them bad friend, because you pick get bad friend. Anyway, the influence about good thing. Ain't satisfied waiting in parent the game out there. So ain't get content mind. Anyway, so now the advice that they give the girl picking out there.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, welcome to this interview. Your name?
Victoria Khan.
How they call the school where you go?
St. Joseph Convent.
Okay, and also we always hear the word teenage pregnancy. I want to make you tell we, what do you think say now the reason for the picking go get belly before the age of 18, especially the one day where they go school?
Well, that can lead to bad friends because of what you party not get, what you get. I mean, what you party get, you not get some. Maybe you go and know the way in get, you go do that kind of thing. That's if you not content with what your parents they give you. Like maybe me party get iPhone, or me not get iPhone. But I don't know how we get the iPhone. Still, I don't say me parent the bonnet not do one. So I just go for go meet them me party there ask them. Say how you take get this iPhone? Then maybe me party go show me for say maybe na this in boyfriend game. Then maybe me back go say okay, well me back go keep boyfriend. So tell the boyfriend go give me. Maybe that boyfriend in a lie in the light to you. Then just go give you belly where you still go school at the end in deny you.
So what do you think say the picking for do, especially picking where they go school? How you think say for living life?
Well, actually, we for content, we for pay attention to school, we for always appreciate what your parents they give you, not listening to nobody. Just go for getting content, mind and be yourself.
So what's in the role where you think say the parents and for play?
Well, actually, the parents are for payroll for advise them picking. They tell them waiting. My business mean tell them waiting teenage pregnancy they do, but some parents and no kid do that. They actually then he just tight, and even parents they not supposed to decide to because of we na girl picking. At least therefore they put we once in a time they advise we about them kind of thing there so that we go know the kind of thing for the way in that kind of situation the way go come up.
So waiting at the message where you go send to the Pekin organization and at the country and social welfare concerning Pekin business in the country.
Well, I just got for say where we be content and where they try for help we that kind of way they and also for talk to we parents there for none of those that way they ash on we. Yeah, for more advice we like if any two ask them if they get at least make them do about if then they say they need to do one for we then get her we go most common on streets we go do other kind thing.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
As una don listen to wetin parents and pikin don talk concerning teenage pregnancy in the country, wetin dem think say na the contributing factors and how dem think say the parents and also the pikin dem and government for stop teenage pregnancy in the country. Me na Aissatou Smile say until we meet again to another edition of the program Talk to the Camera. I say tata.